A big advantage of choosing Roto-Rooter water cleanup service is that Roto-Rooter is both a plumbing repair company and a water cleanup company. Aside from storm-related roof leaks and groundwater intrusion, plumbing failure is the most common cause of residential and commercial flooding. Examples of plumbing failure include toilet, sink, and bathtub overflows, floor drain backups, broken or unpowered sump pumps, burst or leaking water pipes caused by freezing or stress, water heater and other appliance failures, and worst of all, main sewer backups. When you call Roto-Rooter, our experienced plumbers will fix whatever plumbing problem caused the flood, while Roto-Rooter's water cleanup team deals with the water intrusion and related damage. Our water cleanup experts will be with you every step of the way, starting with a free on-site evaluation and diagnosis, during which we'll recommend treatment procedures that are backed up by proven science and experience to ensure the best possible outcome for you and your property. Before water cleanup work begins, Roto-Rooter will provide an upfront estimated cost for the work that needs to be performed, and if necessary, we can help you through the process of contacting your insurance carrier to file a claim. Roto-Rooter will work closely with your insurance company from start to finish, and will bill them directly using Xactimate software, the program preferred by most insurance carriers to document and price the entire water cleanup process from start to finish. Another Roto-Rooter advantage is that our water cleanup technicians are trained to the most rigid industry standards established by the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration certification. This coveted certification ensures that Roto-Rooter customers receive the very best professional water cleanup service and that no shortcuts are ever taken.
Call Roto-Rooter, that's the name, and away go troubles down the drain. Roto-Rooter.